back to the channel DMB's Lioness Love. I'm Soumya and let's start with the video. So the topic for today's video is willingness. So basically we will be discussing three things in this video. That is, what is willingness all about? Number two will be, what are the things which are stopping us from being a person filled with willingness and hope? And the third will be, what are the ways to actually inbuild willingness and how to be a person filled with hope and will. So you all might have been hearing about a quotation or a Hindi line that is, "Jahan चाह है वहाँ राह है." So exactly, that चाह is the willingness to do a particular thing. So the meaning of this sentence or line is that where you have the willingness is where the ways of success or the doors of success open for you. So willingness is actually commitment, yes. Wish is kind of willingness, but then what commitment, you can relate, commitment is actually willingness to do a particular thing. So the willingness to do a particular thing is actually the commitment to do a particular thing. Now, what are the things which are stopping us from being a person filled with willingness and hope? So basically, the first thing which is stopping us is self-honesty. You are not honest to yourself. Like for example, like you have, for an example, I'm very bad at giving examples, but then still, you can relate that you are having two subjects. For example, just imagine it, that you are having two subjects, one is maths, one is sociology or social science, you can say. Then you are, really very good at maths and you're not good at social science. So you can actually, it's pretty clear you can have a will with mathematics and not with social science, but still you want to be into social science, then you can go for it. But then you are very good at maths and you cannot, demise that or not pay attention to that. So you should have a will, or you should create willingness to a place or to an option which you are good in, and if you accept that, then only you will be able to actually be a willful person or the person filled with will or willingness, isn't it? So you have to be honest to yourself that, okay, I'm not good at this, so I am not good at this. I can try, I can go for it, but then most probably I should choose the thing which I'm good in. And you have to be honest to yourself कि भाई मैं इसमें अच्छी हूँ तो इसमें अच्छी हूँ, और इसमें अच्छी नहीं हूँ तो इसमें अच्छी नहीं हूँ. You have to be self-honest in order to be a person filled with willingness. Now the second point comes, with this only, that you don't have clarity. So once you start being self-honest on its own, self-clarity will also start coming from you, or you'll start getting clear with all the visions, isn't it? The next point is, you should not have the fear of failure. You haven't, actually been trying, because if you're having the fear of failure, it's worthless. You should not have one, because see, if you're having fear of failure, this probably means that you have not tried. So until and unless you try, you are surely not gonna fail, but then you're surely not gonna win even though. So it's important for you to make a try, and do not be, you should not have a fear of failure, because you never know, you can even win in that. So always make a try. Do not have the fear of failure, because you are born to win, not to fail. So forget about, see the positive side, okay? Now when we move on next in this chain, now we have to focus on what are those two things, or we are going to discuss about two things which I even follow, and they're really effective to be a person filled with willingness and hope. So basically what you have to do is, you have to break down all your works. आपको अपने काम को ना छोटे भागों में डिवाइड करना है. तो उससे होगा क्या कि आपको लगेगा, अरे यार ये तो बहुत छोटा सा काम है, तो then you will do it. उसको लगेगा यार ये तो इतनी जल्दी हो गया, चलो दूसरा काम भी करते, लेट्स डू द थर्ड फोर्थ फिफ्थ सिक्स। उस तरह ना आपके सारे काम आराम से हो जाते हैं एंड यू गेट अ होप कि यार इतना बड़ा काम हमने कर लिया तो चलो और काम करते हैं। देन यू विल गेट अ होप एंड अ विल और विलिंगनेस टू डू many other work as well. So break your work into small pieces and then do it. Next is that you should punish yourself. ये नहीं कि छोटा मोटा punishment, no, that should be a punishment जो आपको लगे कि हाँ यार मैं तो इसमें मतलब मुझे डर लगता है इस चीज़ से। Then you know you should give yourself punishment जो आपको लगे कि यार ये बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, वो punishment दो। You know, if you'll get punishment, you'll remember it next time कि यार ये नहीं करना है, you shouldn't do it. And then you know that way willingness can actually come in you. The hope can come. Just break down your work and punish yourself. That can be the subcategory of breaking down the work. But then break your work into small pieces and then do it. And secondly, punish yourself. I think that's enough for today. So what we have discussed today is what is willingness, what are the factors which stop us from being a person filled with will or willingness, and the third thing is what can we actually do to inbuild willingness in us. So you should divide your work into small pieces. उससे आपको होप मिलेगा, उससे आपको लगेगा कि यार मतलब जल्दी जल्दी काम हो रहा है, चलो और भी कर लेते हैं. So I think that's enough for today. So all the best for your future endeavors. Thank you so much.